Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing some more organising. I've been doing quite a lot of organisational type videos on my channel, and that's just because it's just what I felt like doing. I've been really like in the zone and in the mood to organise absolutely everything, like whether it be my things, like you've hopefully already seen my makeup declutter as well as my beauty drawers declutter. So I just decluttered all of that, tidied everything out, like just organized everything a little bit better. I went through like some PR things the other day, so just like organized what was in my new storage basket. I just find it really therapeutic, and I feel like it's quite a good use of time, and it's something that I always say I want to do but I always put off because there's just something better to do. But now I'm finally like getting around to everything. I'm also going to do a wardrobe switch over again fairly soon, I hope. So yeah, lots of organizational things on the cards, so I hope you like that kind of thing. And so for today's video I thought I would go do my jewellery this time. So I'm not doing a full jewellery collection because I have actually done one not too long ago, like a few months ago, so I will leave that linked down below. It is actually always linked in my description box because I know I do get a few questions about my jewellery, and I typically wear like a lot of the same jewellery. So yeah, that is linked below, but I will leave it in a card as well if you want to see that video to see my full collection. But for today's video, what I'm doing is going to be moving my storage from, like, I kind of have a travel pouch at the moment, and it's just not very practical for like every day and to store like my entire jewellery collection. I would say I have quite a big jewellery collection, maybe not like huge, but it's also not small. So yeah, I kind of needed something that was like a little bit bigger, that would sort of house everything in one place, because that's the thing I struggle with the most, is having everything in one area or in like one particular place, so that I know, okay, I'm gonna go here, this is where all my jewellery is. I'll find my rings, my bracelets, my watches, my earrings, like, you know, everything. So that's what I really wanted to focus on. So I've got a new little storage solution which I'm very excited about, and it's what I'm going to use to do the whole switch over. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do in today's video, and I hope you'll enjoy. This is my new jewellery box. It's from Stackers. It's one of their like pre-made jewellery boxes, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's in this gorgeous blush gold. So the thing with Stackers is that literally you can stack these. So I have 3 different compartments. This one's the wrong way around. As you can see, this one is a little bit larger, so it can fit things, for example, like maybe sunglasses, watches, things like this. Then the second one has much smaller compartments, which I think will be really great for earrings and necklaces, things like that. And then the top layer, which has a lid situation, which again, I'm sure I can have some of my most worn necklaces here, maybe some rings here, hoops. I don't really know what I'm going to do, but basically I'm going to move in my jewellery collection. So currently I have it in this pouch, which is just a pouch I got from Amazon. It's more of a travel pouch, and so for that reason it doesn't really fit everything in very well, and I want to basically move from here into here so that I can have this as a really like beautiful piece in my room where I can just get my jewellery. And the thing I love about this is if, for example, what I want isn't in the top one, I can easily go into the next and just work from there. So this is everything put in. I'm really quite happy with it. I even went ahead, I took off my watch, I took off my everyday bracelets. These are technically pieces that don't really leave my wrist, but I thought I would just see how they fit in nicely as well. And this is obviously the second layer. I'm happy with this. So I'm just about to put all of this together, but I thought it'd be quite nice to actually talk you through what I put in each of the compartments and why. So here I've got some of my bracelets. These are probably like my least worn bracelets. I mean, this one I used to wear every day, but I don't anymore. You know, I've got loads of different ones, one from Merci Maman. I've got these which are more like summer bracelets. I've also got my anklet, my shell anklet, which I'm looking forward to wear again this summer. So yeah, just pieces like that that I don't reach for as frequently. In the middle compartment, well, first up I have this pack of rings. So this is actually a new set, which is why I thought I would just leave them in their packaging and pop them in here. And then below I have some clips. So I was keeping them all in here. I can actually get rid of this, I guess, but I'll just keep them like that for now.
But I thought that this was a great way just to keep some of my clips and things, because we all know we all love like big exaggerated clips nowadays. So I thought these looked great, and it's just a great place to keep them. As well, this stack of rings. In the further corner, I actually kept some large earrings. So these are like big tassel earrings, which aren't so popular now, but I've only got a couple left in my collection, so I still want to hold on to those. These as well, which are gorgeous, like gold hammered earrings. I do love a statement earring from time to time. And then a much larger pearl hoop as well. You know I love my hoops, so of course anything larger can just go in here. And I feel like that's quite nice. These obviously aren't the types of earrings that I reach for every day. Like, they are more, I would say, like special occasion earrings, you know, like these I wear if I'm feeling fancy or if I'm going out or something like that. So I feel like that's quite nice. So my second compartment has all of these little dividers, which I think works really nicely. And so here I actually managed to fill them all, which I'm very, very pleased with. On this side I have necklaces, and here I have little pendants as well. So some that I've taken off older necklaces and things, and I've just popped them in here so that they're all together. Here I've got some earring sections, as you can see. An array of hoop earrings. It's a little bit ridiculous. I've also got a pair of tassel earrings here, these pearl ones, and some more like exaggerated ones, I guess. And then on this side you can see two stray necklaces that look like they're in the wrong side, but they're not. I decided to keep these two on this side because they're actually chokers, so they're much shorter, and I thought that if they were separated from those ones, it would mean that I would know instantly that these are my chokers. So I thought that was quite nice. I love that I filled up all of them, literally like the perfect amount of compartments here. So very happy with that. And then my third layer is the open top one, which is the one that I imagine I will reach for the most. So here I wanted to keep literally my everyday things. However, I don't have any of my hoop earrings here, and I think I might eventually take out, for example, these large ones, these just classic ones, because they're the hoops I reach for every day. But I was so happy that they fit here perfectly that I didn't want to for now. So I'll show you what I've put in here. I took off my watch and I made sure it fit in there. These are also the bracelets that I wear every day. I literally don't take these off, but I just wanted to sort of show you what it could look like. Rather than keeping all of my rings in this middle compartment as well, I actually split them like this. Sometimes I think it's easier just to be able to like pick them up. So on this side I kept rose gold rings and things like that. I don't wear rings that frequently, to be honest with you, but I thought it was quite nice to just keep them together in colorways. So these are the rose gold, and then here I have more gold rings instead, and these three that I've kept in the middle are actually midi rings, so they're smaller in size. So I thought it would work really well to keep those there. I've also got a couple of smaller earrings here. I kept these, which are from Monica Vinader, I believe, and then these little studs. I don't really wear studs and small earrings like this that frequently, so I've only got these two pairs, and I thought they worked well here because in the bottom layer I feel like they were just a little bit too big. I mean, too small for such a big compartment. Here I actually have these earrings, which again are new ones, so I've popped them here. But I think what I might do is pop these in the bottom section and put my everyday hoop earrings here instead. And like I said, here I've got everyday things, so I kept 4 everyday necklaces. So I have this one from Monica Vinader that I literally wear all the time. This chain is this pendant is Monica Vinader, but the chain is actually from Merci Maman. I've like just, you know, mixed and matched them, which I think you can always do with whatever jewellery that you have. And then if I show you my other one, which I can't grab now because I can't see very well from my angle. Right, this is my choopy one. This is my all-time favourite necklace. It's so beautiful. It's the Sagittarius constellation. It's just really, really beautiful. And then I've got another one from Monica Vinader. This is my big chain, almost like a choker. It's kind of like a medium length chain, but I just love this. You can make it into a bracelet, you can make it into a choker, you can have a longer necklace, you can put a pendant on it, you can do whatever you like. So I really like that. And then finally this one from Daisy Jewellery, which is an octagonal necklace, really beautiful. It's got again like a more chunky gold chain, which I love. So I decided to keep those 4 up here because, like I said, they are the 4 necklaces that I probably reach for the most on a daily basis. So I thought it was quite nice to have them there and just easily accessible. Obviously I didn't go through my whole collection because I have a jewellery collection video up on my channel already. So if you want to see my full collection, then do have a watch of that video where I've tried on all the pieces and I show you and talk you through them. But for now, this is my new jewellery storage.
So now that that's all done and it's put away in its place, very happy about it. I think it fit all my jewellery in really quite nicely actually, so very happy with that. And I think I will hopefully like build to it and add to it, and I think that still gives me like more than enough space to do so. And also the great thing about the Stackers jewellery boxes, or like Stackers in general, is that you can buy like more pieces, like additional pieces, to add even more jewellery into your collection. So as your collection expands, your Stackers jewellery box can also expand, and I think that's really quite good. I will leave it linked down below for any of you who are interested in it. For now, I have been trying to take like a few photos and things earlier on in the day, and I've basically taken all of my books away and like hoisted a little mirror on it, so I had a mirror sitting on loads of my books, and now obviously I need to tidy things back to like their rightful place, and so I'm gonna put all my books away and things, and I thought I'd do another little time lapse for you. I guess they could what? Literally no words came out, it was just like air. So what I was trying to say was that I guess this video can be like a little bit organisational and like time-lapsey, and hopefully you like that. Done. I think that is enough organising for today. I've done quite a few like little bits and bobs here and there, if that makes sense. Like, you know, when you're just sort of, I mean, I want to say out of about, but not really, when you're just like rummaging through things and you're like, oh, well, let me organise this, let me organise that, and that's just what I've been doing, basically, like a little bit of organising like here, there and everywhere basically. So yeah, that's all done now, so that's looking a little bit better. And yeah, for today that is all the organising I'm going to do. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any suggestions for videos in the comments down below, and I will see you all very soon with a new video. Big thank you for watching as always. Don't forget to thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!